Hi guys, it's Kim with Unpolished Gardens, and today we've got a little bit of renovating the top flower bed over here, and we've got a lot of moving around to do, shuffling a few plants, planting a new crepe myrtle. It's beautiful. So let's get started planting this bed and moving things around. Okay, we're here in the garden, and this is the butterfly bush that we're going to move. They've kind of crowded themselves. They've grown really well. They must have really liked the soil here. So we're going to move the butterfly bush over. We're going to move the variegated listerium right here where this cypress is, because this Leland's, it's going to get too big. When I read the tag, it just said it was 10 to 12, and it's going to get like 30 foot tall, and that is not good for here. So we're going to move it and kind of block a telephone pole. So we've got a home for him. And then look at the crepe myrtle. I mean, look at it, guys. Look how beautiful this is. The leaves are a dark maroon purple color, and the blooms are just this really pretty bright pink. It's beautiful. Like, I've really not seen anything really like it. And it looks so good with the yellow and with the blue of the butterfly bush. They're just gonna look, I think they're just gonna look really pretty together, and they're just gonna stand out and be on display of their own. I think it's gonna look gorgeous. So now we just gotta start moving some things around and get some holes dug. The butterfly bush likes to be up a little higher than the ground. It doesn't really... Oh, timber! Kind of like that. Let me look at it. It's filled in. Trying to do this quickly so we can get this stuff watered before the sun really hits them. It is an overcast day. It's the only reason. And it's supposed to rain later. I really hope it does. Always weeds. Always weeds. I think that's good. Okay. Okay. All right. And this is the Midnight Magic Crape Myrtle. The foliage is like a deep burgundy maroon color. It is almost black. It's not quite black, but it's almost black. And the blooms are just this bright, vibrant pink. It is just like beautiful and stunning. I don't have anything in my garden quite like this. I have some heuchera that is pretty much a dark heuchera, but nothing else is this color. And I am just excited to see it grow and bloom and just add a different color up here. We definitely need more color, and I just can't wait for it to grow. Watered them all this morning. Rough the roots up a little bit. And let's see, how big we want it. That. Yeah. I think that looks good, right? I think so. Okay. Fill it in. We're just giving everything a really nice drink of water down at the roots so it's happy and healthy and grows. Just gonna leave them on there for a few minutes, give them a nice good soak. Everything should be okay. Like I said, it's a nice overcast day. It's not gonna get too hot. It's only about 85 today. It's one of our cooler days actually. And it's going to rain later, so they'll enjoy all the rain. I hope you like watching this transformation, and my theory is if you don't like it, move it. And we had a lot of things that just weren't happy. They were all congested together and not giving each other room to grow, and we had to move them. And it just looks so much better. So if you don't like it, just move it. Just get rid of it if you really don't like it. If not, find it a new home somewhere else that's going to be happier and look better. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, bye guys.